Solve the given pair of linear equations a minus b into x plus a plus b into y equal to a square minus 2ab minus b square and a plus b into x plus y equal to a square plus b square. So here we have a chance to solve the given problem in two methods. One is substitution method, another one is elimination method. For that purpose, first we observing here second equation observe means that is given a plus b into x plus y. That means a plus b is the common factor for x plus y, x and y coefficients too. So first we dividing that one. So first the given first equation writing a minus b into x plus a plus b into y equal to a square minus 2ab minus b square. Now the second equation, that will be a plus b is multiplying with x and y, that means a plus b into x plus a plus b into y, that equal to a square plus b square. Now here this problem to observing, we will here y coefficients of these two equations is same, a plus b, a plus b. So here this problem will be solved by elimination method is simple. Why? Because subtracting these two equations, then y coefficients will be cancelled and that x coefficients to simplify means we get the x value. Now that x value substituting any one equation we get y value. So that purpose we follow the second method, that is elimination method. So subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. Okay, so a plus b into x plus a plus b into y equal to a square plus b square, and that first one a minus b into x plus a plus b into y equal to a square minus 2ab minus b square. Now subtracting, so minus will be plus and the minus will be plus, plus will be minus, and here minus and here minus, changing the symbols. Now here a plus b of x minus of a minus b of x and a plus b into y minus of a plus b into y, same, so gets cancelled, that equal to a square plus b square minus a square plus 2ab plus b square. And here if we observe x is the common coefficient, so that will be taking common a plus b minus of a minus b of x. Okay, now here minus to this one multiplication a plus b minus a plus b into x, a minus a gets cancelled, b into b plus b 2b x equal to, now if this side RHS observed a square minus a square, same coefficients cancelled, b square plus 2ab plus b square are the remained one, b square plus b square 2b square plus 2ab. Now here if both were observed, here 2b, here 2b is the common number. So the 2b taking common. Now here remained one is b plus, and here remained one 2b taken common means a. We want to find x value. So this multiplication 2b transferred to this side, that is division. So x equal to 2b into a plus b by 2b. 2b gets cancelled. So x equal to a plus b. Okay. Now this x value substituting in first or second equation, we get y coefficient. So if I substituting in that first equation, a minus b into x plus a plus b into y equal to a square minus 2ab minus b square. Now here in the place of x substituting a plus b. So a minus b into a plus b plus a plus b into y equal to a square minus 2ab minus b square. Now a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. So a square minus b square plus a plus b into y equal to a square minus 2ab minus b square. Now here this plus a square minus b square transferring that side, that is a plus b into y equal to a square minus 2ab minus b square plus a square transfer to that side minus a square minus b square transfer to that side plus b square. So minus a square plus b square. A square minus a square gets cancelled. Minus b square plus b square gets cancelled. So a plus b into y equal to minus 2ab. Now this multiplication of a plus b transferred to this side, that is division. So y equal to minus 2ab by a plus b. Okay. So here we get x equal to a plus b, y equal to minus 2ab by a plus b. Here given the workout problems of pair of linear equations, form a pair of linear equations for each of the following problems and find their solution. So first we have to write the given information into pair of linear equations and them to solve through elimination method, otherwise substitution method. So first problem given here, the ratio of incomes of two persons is 9:7 and the ratio of their expenditures is 4:3. If each of them manages to save rupees 2000 per month, then find their monthly income. That is the problem here given. So here first given, the ratio of incomes of two persons is 9:7 given. Okay, so the solution writing given the ratio of incomes of two persons equal to 9:7. That is the given. So we feeling let the first person's income that is 9x rupees we feeling, then the second person's income that is rupees 7x. So here given the incomes ratio 9:7. That purpose we feeling first person's income 9x rupees, second person's income 7x rupees, and the second step given the ratio of their expenditures is 4:3. So the ratio of their income, their expenditures equal to 4:3. So now I am feeling let the first person's expenditure equal to rupees 4y. Second person's expenditure that equal to rupees 3y. And the third step given, if each of them manages to save rupees 2000 per month, so both persons incomes different and expenditures different, but both members saves rupees 2000 per month. So both of them manages to save rupees 2000. So now this information will be writing as linear equation. Now income minus expenditure, that is nothing but the remaining saving. So by that information we can write, so first person's income 9x and his expenditure is 4y. So 9x minus 4y equal to 2000, and the second person's income 7x and his expenditure 3y. So 7x minus 3y equal to 2000. Now here we get two equations. Now these two equations to be solving, we get x and y values. Okay, so here these two equations to solving by elimination method. So in that elimination method, here if we equalize y coefficients, so the first equation to y coefficient is 4 and that second equation to y coefficient is 3. So their LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. So first equation is multiplying with 3. So 9 3s 27 and 4 3s 12 and 3 2s 6, and that now the second equation is multiplying with 4. Now 4 7s 28, 3 4s 12 and 2 4s 8. Now subtracting the given two equations, so here the symbol will be changing, plus will be minus and minus will be plus and the plus will be minus. So 27x minus 28x, that is nothing but minus x, and minus 12y plus 12y, both one gets cancelled, that equal to 6000 minus 8000, that is nothing but minus 2000. So minus x equal to minus 2000, then x equal to 2000. Now the x value substituting in any one equation, we get y value. So if I am substituting the x value in the first equation, so from nine x minus 4y equal to 2000. Now in the place of x I am substituting 2000. So 9 into 2000 minus 4y equal to 2000. 9 2's 18, 18,000 minus 4y equal to 2000. Now plus 2000 transfer to this side, minus 2000. So 18,000 minus 2000 equal to minus 4y transfer to this side, plus 4y. So 18,000 minus 2000, that equal to 16,000. 16,000 equal to 4y. Now multiplication 4 transfer to this side, that is division. So y equal to 16,000 by 4, that equal to 4 4 ja 16. So y equal to 4000. So here we get x equal to 2000 and y equal to 4000. Okay, but our to here asked what is their monthly income. So therefore income of first person, that is nothing but 9x. So 9 into x value already here we find 2000. So 9 into 2000, that is nothing but 18,000. So first person's income 18,000 rupees. Now second person's income finding, that is nothing but 7x. So 7 into 2000. So 7 into 2000 is 14,000. So second person's income 14,000 rupees. Okay, if y value 4000, if we substitute 4 into 4000, that is nothing but 16,000. So first person's expenditure 16,000. If we substitute in that second person's expenditure 3y equal to 4000, so 3 into 4 equal to 12. So that is 12,000. Now 18,000 minus 16,000 is 2,000 and 14,000 minus 12,000 is equal to 2,000. So both the persons saving 2,000 rupees. So form a pair of linear equation for each of the following problems and find their solution. So here workout problem given. So for that the problem is the sum of a 2-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digits is 66. If the digits of the number differ by 2, find the number. How many such numbers are there? That is the problem here given. So here a 2-digit number there and that 2-digit number to that digits, and if reversing the number, then again the 2 digits there, that 2 digits and these 2 digits adding means we get 66, and that 2 digits subtraction is 2. Then find the number. That is the question here given. Okay, so now we filling the number. So let the number units place x and tens place y. If we feeling that numbers units place x, tens place y, then the number is so tens place number is multiplying with 10. So 10 into y, 10y plus x. So the number is 10y plus x. Okay, now here given, so reversing the digits. So if reversing the digits of given number, then the new number is that is nothing but 10x plus y. Here our two given, the first step sum of a two digit number and the number obtained by reversing of the digits is 66. So sum of these two numbers is equal to 66. So sum of the number and reversing the digits to formed number equal to 66 given. Now these two adding 10y plus x plus 10x plus y equal to 66. So 10y plus y, that is nothing but 11y plus x plus 10x, that is 11x equal to 66. In both 11 is the common, so 11 taking common, that is nothing but y plus x, 11 into y plus x equal to 66. Now multiplication 11 transfer to that side, that is nothing but division. So x plus y equal to 66 by 11. So x plus y is equal to 11 6 ja 6. So 6 by 1 means that is nothing but 6. So here x plus y equal to 6 came. Now the second step given, the number differ by 2. So the digits of the number differ by 2. So subtraction of that two digits is 2 given. So digits of the number differ by 2. So it will be written as equation, then x minus y equal to 2. Now here the second equation came. Now if we solve these equations by substitution method, then I am writing x equal to, so this minus y transfer to this side, that is plus y. So x equal to 2 plus y. Now that x value is substituting in that first equation. So substituting x value in equation 1. Now in the place of x I am writing 2 plus y. So here first given one writing x plus y equal to 6 and y plus 2 plus y equal to 6. So x equal to 2 plus y, that is only written. So now y plus y equal to 2y, 2y plus 2 equal to 6. Now plus 2 transfer to that side, that is nothing but minus 2. So 6 minus 2, 6 minus 2 equal to 4. So y equal to 4 by 2, 4 by 2 means that is 2. 2 ones 2 2s, 2 by 1 is nothing but 2. Now this y value substituting here. So x equal to 2 plus y. So 2 plus y equal to 2, 2 plus 2 equal to 4. So we get x equal to 4 and y equal to 2. So the number is, and here asked we finding the number and how many such numbers are there. So reversing the digit and the digit, same type of numbers only. That purpose, therefore the numbers are 10y plus x and 10x plus y, that equal to 10 into y equal to 2 plus x equal to 4, 10 2s 20, 20 plus 4, that is nothing but 24. And if x equal to here 4 taking, then y equal to 2, 10 4s 40, 40 plus 2, that is nothing but 42. So here two numbers are formed, one is 24, another one is 42. If the addition of 24 plus 42 taking, that is nothing but 66. If that two digits subtracting, 4 minus 2 is nothing but 2 only. Here given a problem, the larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. Find the angles that is given. So here two supplementary angles given. So supplementary angle means sum of any two angles is 180 degrees, then they are called as supplementary angles. So we feeling let the two supplementary angles are x and y, then we can write x plus y equal to 180 degrees. And here given that another one, two supplementary angles to exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. So one angle is exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. So we feeling that x equal to that exceeds smaller y plus 18 degrees, x equal to y plus 18. That one we feeling. Now we solving this equation by substitution method. Now x equal to y plus 18 substituting in the first equation. So substitute x value in equation 1. Now in the place of x, y plus 18 writing y plus 18 plus y equal to 180, y plus y equal to 2y, 2y plus 18 equal to 180. Now plus 18 transfer to that side, that is nothing but minus 18, 180 minus 18, that is 162. Now multiplication to transfer to that side, that is division 162 by 2. 162 by 2 means 2 ones 280 ones. So 81 by 1 means nothing but 81. Now this y value substituting in that, here x equal to y plus 18, y equal to 81 plus 18. 81 plus 18 is nothing but 99. So here x equal to 99, y equal to 81 came. Therefore the two supplementary angles are ∠81 degrees and 99 degrees.